12 Best Zombie Movies of All Time, 2024. Zombie movies have been terrifying audiences for years, blending horror with thrilling storylines. This video explores the top 12 zombie movies ever made, showcasing a mix of comedy, action, and drama that define the genre. Scout's Guide to the Zombie Apocalypse, 2015, is a comedic take on a zombie invasion, where three friends and scouts become unlikely heroes in their overrun town. Filled with laughs, it's a fun watch despite its R rating. Shaun of the Dead, 2004, offers a British twist on zombie humor. It follows Shaun, a slacker navigating a zombie-infested London, on a mission to rescue his girlfriend, adding a delightful British stereotype spin to the genre. Valley of the Dead, 2020, introduces Nazi zombies during the Spanish Civil War. Captain John Lozano, forced to join enemies, battles these undead creations in a film packed with thrilling action scenes and historical intrigue. Hash Alive, 2020, portrays a survival story in Seoul as a viral outbreak turns people into zombies. Stranded in his apartment, Oh Jun-woo finds hope and companionship in Kim Yoo-bin, making this a gripping tale of survival. Day of the Dead, 1985, is a classic that helped shape zombie lore. Trapped in a missile silo, survivors face tension and danger from both zombies and each other, emphasizing human conflict amidst the undead chaos. Dawn of the Dead, 2004, a remake by Zack Snyder, follows a group seeking refuge in a mall during a zombie outbreak, only to find themselves fighting off the undead, creating a suspenseful and action-packed narrative. Overlord, 2018, mixes WW2 history with zombies as U.S. soldiers discover sinister Nazi experiments. This underrated film adds a fresh twist with Nazi zombies, delivering intense action and an intriguing plot. Zombieland 1 and 2, 2009 and 2019, blend comedy with zombie chaos. Columbus's survival rules lead to hilarious adventures with fellow survivors, offering a humorous take on a post-apocalyptic world and its undead challenges. Peninsula, 2020, is set in a zombie-ravaged South Korea. Mercenaries venture into Incheon for a high-stakes mission, facing not just zombies, but hostile human survivors, offering tension and action in a devastated landscape. Train to Busan, 2016, is a heart-wrenching journey through a zombie outbreak in Korea. A father and daughter's struggle for safety aboard a train is captivating, making it a must-watch for its emotional depth and suspense. 28 Days Later, 2002, presents a chilling vision of a post-apocalyptic London. Jim awakens to an abandoned city, joining fellow survivors to fight infected hordes in a gripping tale of survival against a rage virus. World War Z, 2013, combines scientific intrigue with a global zombie crisis. Jerry Lane's quest to find a virus cure unfolds amidst epic scale and tension-filled scenes, offering a compelling narrative in the zombie genre.